first and foremost, I want to thank everyone for their support over the last 3 weeks. It's been that long since I launched my product range. Now, this is something I've been working on for about 3 to 4 months. The recipe, the packaging, the label, just to get it perfect. So I really appreciate all the support, it means a lot to me. Especially those of you in the US, UK and overseas. I know those shipping costs are a bit high. Unfortunately, it is out of my control. But I've tried to reduce it by absorbing about 20 to 30% of the cost myself without increasing the product price, because I want you guys to have it if you want it. So guys, in appreciation for your support, I'm going to give away 10 of my Persian Koobideh Kebab Seasonings. Each one of these jars can season up to 10 kilos of meat. I know some vegetarians have been experimenting with them too. Let me know in the comments if you have any ideas like that. I'll be very interested to hear. So guys, 10 of those completely free of charge. You don't have to pay the shipping. I'll pay that myself. It's open for everyone. If you want to enter, very simple. Let me know in the comments who's the first person you'll be cooking for. Simple as that. So I'm going to be running this competition for 7 days from now. So today's the 25th of April. 2nd of May it will end. When it ends, I'll use a random generator to pick 10 names. I'll reply to your comment and I'll let you know if you've won, and we'll go from there. Simple as that. So good luck everybody. Be sure to visit my website www.henryshowtos.com. You can use the promo code ILOVEKEBAB to save 10%. That will end at the end of May. Good luck everybody.